Today's video, I just want to share with you all how I made this biscuits. Hi guys, thank you so much for clicking on this video. I appreciate you guys a lot. For my old subscribers, thank you so much, and for my new subscribers, I thank you also for clicking on this video. My name is Mirian Dike, as you can see, also my channel name. So today's video, I just want to share with you all how I made this biscuits. Yes, it's oatmeal biscuit. Very easy with a less ingredients but very sweet. I didn't add any sugar, but I added condensed milk. So let's get started. So here are my ingredients. Just check the description box to see the exact quantity I use. Yeah, there is oatmeal 500 gram, and then rosine, which is raisin, yeah, and others. So keep watching guys. Here I don't want this video to be very long, so I just go ahead and first divided the oatmeal into two. Like I said, it's 500 gram, 250 gram, and now mix one part with cacao, that is cocoa chocolate powder, plus condensed milk, and yeah, and the rest. I put this one vanilla. Then the second one, I added it lemon flavor plus other ingredients. That's the one I'm mixing right now. I just want to show you guys how I mix it. As you can see, I didn't add any water. I used milk. This milk, you need to warm it. Yes guys, just go ahead and warm it a little, not too hot but just warm, before mixing it very well. After mixing it, then go ahead and add your rosine, that is raisin, and mix it again. So right now you're going to wrap it just like the first one and put it together with the first one on a bowl. Put it on the fridge for 5 minutes, bring it out, and then start working on it. So here, just go ahead and cut out the one you want to do. After doing the first one, you now go ahead and do the second one. Here I have two methods I used on this oatmeal biscuits. The first method is the one I'm doing right now. After, I'll show you the second method, which I use all the time because I don't have time, guys. What I mean is this: kneading it like this, guys, it takes time. For me, it takes time, but if you like to beautify it, this is the way of doing it. Then you use cake cutter, that is alphabet cutter, to cut it, or any heart cutter to cut it, just to put it in a shape that will be very beautiful and attractive. So that's what I'm doing right now. But actually, I don't have time of doing this all the time. I'll show you the second method I use, and it goes very fast for me so that I can do other things. Yeah guys. So guys, this is the method I normally use, but first let me quickly tell you guys what is inside this mixture. Here I have 250 grams of oatmeal, unraisined, which is rosine. Then I have baking powder, but don't forget that I mix everything together before separating it. Then go ahead and add chocolate powder and condensed milk. Another thing I added there was vanilla flavor. This is the method I normally use at home because I don't have that time, as I said before. When I have enough time, then it's the time I normally use the alphabet cutter. But this day I'm doing this, I don't have enough time. That's the reason I have to show you guys the two methods. It depends on you to choose the one that is better or best for you to use. So keep watching, guys. So now they're going inside the oven to be baked 20 minutes at 180 degrees. Then after, I'll allow it to cool very well before putting it in my biscuit container. Keep watching, guys. Yeah, it's done, guys. Oh my goodness, the aroma in my kitchen. I can't wait to eat one or two of it. The other one has lemon flavor taste and the other one has vanilla and chocolate flavor taste. Ah, so good. So good. So guys, look at the inside of it. Just take a look at that. It's very dry. Inside is very dry. But guys, you need to give it a try. If you're on weight loss journey, this biscuit is for you. So now it has cooled very well. I'm going to pack it on my biscuit container. That's the container I use. I have other container also I use for my biscuits, homemade biscuits. So here I'm going to put it. Once my kids come back from school, oh, they won't hesitate. Honestly, they won't hesitate to have a taste of it because the aroma in my kitchen will let them know that mama has done the special biscuits they always like to keep their mouths busy. So guys, you have seen it for today. It's very sweet. Very sweet. Just give it a try. You will not regret it. So once I have time at home, I do this biscuit for my kids, and I also have another method of doing it with flour, wheat flour. I'll share that one next time. So thank you so much for watching. Always stay safe. Bye.